Look at what we got here. Wait, let me come this way so that you guys can see it. You guys can see them very well. So this is what we have. Welcome, gorgeous. It is I'm revealing all these things. They are from SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Guys, I have 3 weeks here that I want to review with you guys. 1, 2, 3. I have some facial care, some foot care, some lip care, some eyelash care, everything care are here. But just if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button, put on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much to my OGs. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it. So in case if you like anyone, if it is the wig, the skincare products, you just dash to the description. The link to all these products will be there. The link to SHEIN will be there. And if you haven't downloaded the SHEIN app, it doesn't waste time. On any of the devices you're using, just download the app and enjoy. Okay, enjoy, because all these you see here, they are so affordable. All right, let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to share with you guys is this multifunctional eyelash serum. Came like this, you can see it. Let me show you guys very well. You can see it's like this, and it's 2 in 1. Okay, it has 2 sides. You see this side here. Okay, it's for your lashes. I think this is multifunctional. It's like you can use it in place of mascara as well. This is the other side. Okay, you can use it in place of mascara, and you can use it as a treatment for your lashes. So that is that. The second thing here is this moisturizing foot stick. This is your foot stick. Look at this. You use this just for your foot. Okay, makes your foot succulent. You know, we don't want those dry foots. We don't want that. So with this, you are good to go. So it's like this. Okay, yeah, it's like this. And okay, you have to wind it. It has something to wind it from the bottom. Yeah, so you guys can see it. This is it. The next thing is this vitamin C brightening cream. This cream is not my first time of revealing it. I have it. I have even some other ones, because since I like it, I always order this cream. If you see my last review from SHEIN about skincare, you're going to see this cream. It's so wow, it moisturizes your skin. It makes your skin look flawless, succulent. I really like it. This is the one that I have opened before. See, I still have other ones. You guys can see it. It's so see the texture of the cream. I really love this cream. I use it all the time. When I mean all the time. So this is the one I've opened, and this is the one I just received. You guys see that it's sealed. Okay, you can see that it's sealed. The next thing is this lip care. I like stuff like this because I hate dry lips. I don't want my lips dry at all. I hate it. It's like Vaseline. There's one I have. Okay, the one I have is still lip care. Is here to tell you guys. I always use them. I have some other ones too. Can I open? It's almost okay. You guys can see this one is almost gone. This one is different from this one. So this one is like Vaseline. This one is like a strawberry, something like that. And with this, when you use this, your lips can never be dry. With this, your lips can never be dry. You know, sometimes when your lips are too dry, see them peeling. We don't want that. We don't want that. I'm going to try it. If you follow me on TikTok, if you're not following me, just follow me, Christophe, or IG. Most of all these things, I try them on TikTok or IG because I don't try them here. So if you're following me on TikTok, you're going to see me definitely trying all these things out. So the next thing I have in here is also a cream. This one is anti-wrinkles cream. This is good, especially if you're more than 30, 28, 30 now. You need stuff like this. Yeah, you don't have to wait till when you are like 50, 60 before you start taking care of your skin, or 40 before you start taking care of your skin. If you're from even from 28, from 25, you can start taking care of your skin. It's better earlier than late. Okay, how will I put the English? I don't know. Anyway, you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So the other thing is this Rosemary hair and scalp essential oil. Let me show you guys. Okay, let me see if you guys can see it very well. Yeah, I haven't tried this before, but I think I've been hearing of this hair oil. Let me open it. It's oil. See it? You just drop it on your scalp. Okay, they said I think it increases the growth of your hair, and it protects your scalp and your hair as well. I'm going to try this. Let me see whether it has any smell. Ooh, it smells rosemary. Oh yeah. It's really rosemary. It smells so nice. So nice. Yeah, that is that for this one. And the other thing I'm going to share with you guys is a Radiant Serum Vitamin C. I have so many vitamin C cream from SHEIN. Let me show you guys one here. Okay, like you guys can see. Okay, this one is gel. I have another one. I'm coming, guys. That is vitamin. Okay. Like this one I showed you guys the other time is vitamin C. You see, this one is vitamin C. You can see it. This brightening cream is vitamin C. So it's from SHEIN too, and this one is a serum. Let's bring it out and see how it is. Oh yeah, guys, I'll open it because I'm going to keep it in my skincare. I'll add it to my skincare products. Okay, all these things, they are affordable, but they work hell. That is why I like them. They work for you. Okay, they are not just because they are affordable, you say they are affordable, they don't work. They do the job. That is why I love. Let me see whether it has any smell. Yes, it has smell. Smells so nice. This smells so nice. So I think you just put a drop on your face. Okay, like I said, if you're not following me, follow me on TikTok, Instagram. You're going to see me use all these things. Try them for you guys. So the next one is a brush, makeup brush. Okay, I like the way it is. I think this contour brush. Let me bring it out. It came in this pack. It's contour brush. This will really define. Because I've not opened it. I need to tear this to bring it out. Okay, yeah. See, this contour brush. You need to contour your nose, shaping your nose. See, this is nice. I like it. So nice. I like the way it is flat. You guys can see. Let me show you guys. You see how it's flat. I don't have anything of this nature, so when I saw this, I said, I'm getting this. Cuteness overloaded. Look at what is written there. Cuteness overloaded. And this is for foot as well. Let me bring it out. Oh no, it's not for foot. What am I saying? I said it's for foot. Sorry, it's not for foot. It's a pad. When you apply your makeup, you go out, you feel that your face is producing oil. You use this to soak out all the oil, all the fat in your face. Look at it. So cute. I think it's two that came with it. Yes, not only two, it's much. See, so many came with it. I think you just have to change them. I have another thing here. This one is coconut foot mask. Look at it. Coconut foot mask. So you just put this on your foot. Look at the picture. I will try this and I will let you guys know So the other thing here are nails. See, I cut my nails. Okay, this is the problem. This is the problem, right? I just polished my nails 2 days ago, and look at them. Look at them. 2 days ago, I polished these nails. Look the way they are. Because me, I do grow my nails, but I decided to like, no, I will start leaving them short like this. So that's the reason why these days I always, there is no SHEIN review that I will do, you will not see nails. I always go for nails now. Because they are easy for me. I pop them on and I'm good to go, and I can wear them for like over a month, 3 weeks, 1 month, or over a month. You see, so these ones, they are so cute. Let me bring them out. I like the way they are simple. See, it came with a file, okay, nail file. Also, these are the nails. Let me, okay, so that you can catch it very well. Okay, you can see the nails. They are so cute. These are French tips. Let me bring them out. You see, you see them. These are French tips. They are so beautiful too, simple, and they are not long, not like those other ones. Now the start of the game is here. Let's talk about the wig. I have 3. The first one, a cap wig that came with it, and some cards. Let me open. Okay, yeah, that's the first one. Oh, this one is 12 inches. I love the color because I've been revealing black. I said to myself, why am I revealing only black wigs when there are color wigs? At least you should be wearing colored. So I went for, oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Just look at this. The knot is bleached, and also the hairline is pre-plucked. You can see it on my hand. This is gorgeous, and the color, this, oh, is so beautiful. Let me take my comb. See this? You see that? Wow, look at this. This is so lovely. The texture is everything. It came with inbuilt adjustable strap. This is detachable, right? Okay, this is detachable adjustable strap, and there is inbuilt adjustable strap too, and it has some combs. Look at that. Oh my, see, I so much love. I so much love this. You see the hairline, because they pluck the hairline. If you want to be extra, you can pluck it more, but me, I keep this. I got no time plucking hairline. Okay, guys, let me bring out the second one. The second one is black. Okay, I still took black. I took black, and it's the same thing. Okay, this one, a cap wig came with it, the cards, and pair of lashes. The wig cap came with it. I thought it's black. It's not black. This is dark piece cut. How they call them? Piece cut, something like that. Oh, guys, let me wear this. It's not black, because I was like, I did not take black. I'm black. I said, okay, no problem. No, it's not black. Look at it. Let me wait for you guys to see. Guys, this is it. I don't know if you guys try to figure out what it is this week. I know you have to take your time to like arrange it. This is the back. Okay. Oh, I love this. So if I'm to like do it, I'm going to like trim it, or if I don't even trim it, even if you don't trim it, you just have to arrange it with hand. And yeah, I think you can just arrange it with hand and we come out with something good. Okay, I'm not looking at mirror, I'm just like trying to figure it out like this, and it's cute. Same bag, same thing. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm really happy. I'm happy. The color, wow, this is 12 inches. 12 inches. I said it, I went for color. Yeah, I went for color. So let's bring it out. I'm so happy. Blonde. I'm so happy. I'm really excited because it's blonde. I'm excited. It's 12 inches and this is it. Let's bring it out. Okay. Everything is falling off. Yeah, it's like that other one is bob. Okay, but this one is blonde. Look at the inside. Construction of the inside, combs, inbuilt adjustable strap, and detachable adjustable strap. Okay, and this is 13 by, is it 13 by 4? The back is like this anyway. There's no lace at the back, but this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Here is my comb, my brush. See it. Ooh, I love this. I love this, guys. I think this is my favorite. This one, I've been looking to have this color, blonde like this, that is really blonde. See, they pluck it already for you. Wow, you guys can see the hairline. How will I? Okay, let me do it like this for you guys to see. All right, it's 12 inches like that one, so let me wear it for us to see. So you see it's not too long, 12 inches. Yeah, because I never want to go for long. I've been wearing longer length. So I said to myself, I said, no, Chelsea, take some shorter lengths. Okay, you have a lot of long length and black. Go for colored and go for shorter length, which I did, and I'm not regretting it. So gorgeous, that is it for this video. I think I will call it a day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, before you go, like I said, if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. To my OGs, please, if you haven't subscribed, do the same thing. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe and join the gorgeous family. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, all details will be on the description box. The link, the direct link, the discount code you will use to get some percentage off, they are going to be on the description box. So I'll see you guys in my next. Bye. Ciao.